The Rhymo 61-key electric keyboard kit is an excellent choice for beginners, offering an easy-to-use interface that suits both children and adults. With an impressive range of 255 voices and rhythms, this keyboard encourages creativity across various musical styles. Included professional accessories like a sheet music stand and piano note stickers make learning both convenient and enjoyable. Constructed from safe, eco-friendly ABS plastic, this keyboard features a child-friendly design with smooth, rounded edges. This lightweight, portable keyboard offers dual power options, allowing usage via a power adapter or batteries, making it great for on-the-go practice. Additional features such as recording, playback, and a built-in metronome enhance the musical experience, making it a versatile instrument.